Hello everybody, welcome back to Techno Waves. If you're constantly switching between devices with your laptop, so today's gadget could make your life very easier. So we are checking out a ASUS Travel Dock OS200, a compact, a USB-C multi-port adapter designed for travelers and remote workers. Let's see what it offers. In the box, we get this ASUS Travel Dock OS200 itself and a quick start guide with some documentation, with some warranty cards. It's a compact, minimal and a travel-friendly accessory. About its design and build quality, the first thing you notice is the sleek metallic finish. It's lightweight and a compact and fits easily in your laptop bag or even your pocket. This USB-C cable is built in and it's great for portability. This product model number is OS200 USB-C dongle. So let's overview its ports and features. On the corner you can see one VGA port. On the right side it has a one HDMI port that supports up to 4K at 30 Hz. And here is the 1 GB Ethernet port for fast wired internet. The two USB 3.2 generation Type A ports. And here is our Type C adapter. This is a very solid pick, a brand new ASUS adapter. It is a solid pick, very useful, especially in using a MacBook. Yes guys, in MacBooks you have seen there is no other ports except a Type C port, so we have to connect. So we are very struggling to connect HDMI ports, VGA port or LAN and other ports. So this is very effective and very useful product, especially you are using a MacBook or other related laptops that doesn't have any other ports than Type C. Guys, I'm giving you a demo to easy to understand how to connect this adapter on your MacBooks. Let's check its connectivity. For example, I have to connect this mouse to my MacBook, but this mouse can be used by using this USB receiver. But in the MacBooks, there are no USB ports, but we can have a solution. Now we can use this ASUS adapter. Just we have to insert this receiver here and connect this USB cable to your MacBook. Yeah. Now our mouse is on. Now we can use this. You can see here guys. Now I am unable to use this mouse via this adapter on my MacBook. The performance is very excellent. I had no issues. It works flawlessly with Mac, and even I have used in Windows devices, and also I have tested it with my Android phone also. So yeah, it's very affordable and very useful product. So is the ASUS OS200 adapter worth it or not? Comment me. And if you're looking for this lightweight and all-in-one USB-C hub for daily travel or hybrid work, so this adapter delivers an excellent value without the bill. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to Techno Waves and hit that bell so you never miss our future tech drops. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.